In this video, I'm going to walk through how to enter single and double underlines in Excel and why you would use them. I am using Office 365 Excel on a computer running Windows. The process is the same on a Mac. In accounting, we frequently use single underlines and double underlines. Each has a specific meaning. Single underlines are a signal that this is a subtotal. Everything above the single underline should be added or subtracted or whatever, and the number below that single underline is a subtotal. Double underlines mean that this is a grand total. Here's a partial income statement. We have revenues minus cost of goods sold equals gross margin. This partial statement would be easier to read with single and double underlines. Start by clicking in cell B6. Click on the borders icon in the ribbon. Select bottom border from the list. The single underline means to add or subtract items above that line up to any prior subtotal. Here it is revenues minus cost of goods sold. Click in cell B7. Click on the borders icon in the ribbon. Next, select double bottom border from the list. The double underline means that this is a grand total in this partial income statement that we are doing. Notice that there is a top and bottom border style that combines the two steps we just did. If you need to erase any border, just select the cell or cells, then click on the borders icon in the ribbon and select no border. That's it, we are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz. It is part of the Excel Skill Builder video series. See accountingisanalytics.com for additional faculty and student resources.